WWF superstars, when you step through these ropes, your ass belongs to me. I don't give a damn what they are. They're all on the list, and that's Stone Cold list.
If I beat you, your career is over.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finished. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning.
The following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the W. Introducing the challenger. And introducing the champion from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds. He is the WWE Universal Champion, Roman Reigns.
Intensity on the face of the champion. Challenger in the corner, looking more determined than I've ever seen. Everything in this. There's the cover. Can he do it? Sit back, people. This one's not over yet.
Yeah, he's not done yet.
Real quick, in case we have any newbies watching, a false count. He wants it one more time. Drop kick. Opportunity. Shoulders down. This could be it. He got body on body there, but that's about it. Gonna take. That'll hyperextend your leg. Down they go. They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts.
Now it's Roman Reigns on his heels.
The unpredictable nature of this match can help turn the tides, though. Oh, goodness! Jam your leg in a bad way. Bringing it back into the ring. That's something even bigger and badder. Basement kick to the side of the face. Isn't enough here? What a decisive victory for Roman Reigns. Just incredible.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Universal Champion, Roman Reigns!
Could have gone either way there for a while.
Man, this champion has a stranglehold on that title and doesn't appear to be letting up anytime soon.
I'd like to think we just saw one of the greatest title matches in a very long time.